Alright, this is part 2 of configuring and using Cisco Mobile Connect, called sometimes single number reach or also simultaneous ring. So I have two phones here. We got a 7970 here, and that's Jack's phone, and then here's my business phone here, 7971, and then I have my personal cell phone Verizon Droid X. So I'll be using these three phones for this demonstration and instruction on how to use Mobile Connect. So I'm going to just dial from Jack's phone here to my business phone. Come back over here. I see my business phone is ringing, and then we'll also see that my Droid is also ringing at the same time. So this is that remote destination that we put in, and I'm going to answer here. Put those on mute so we don't get the feedback. And now, obviously, just like a regular call, Jack's phone is connected to Anson's phone here, my business phone, and then my Droid phone has stopped ringing. Okay. Now let's say I need to leave the office and I need to transfer the call to my cell phone. So since we configured the remote destination and we selected the Mobile Connect and mobile phone radio buttons, if you remember we did that in part 1, we can transfer the call from my VoIP phone, my 7971, to my Droid phone. So let's see how we do that. If we look here, there's a mobility button right on the bottom. If I choose that mobility button here, I could either use the touchscreen or use my button here. I'll use this button, and then I see I'm displayed, or get a dialog box on my display, and I see one selection. It says make your selection here. Since I only have one remote destination, I only have one selection, and that selection is send call to mobile phone, as you can see here. So if I choose that, what that's going to do is make a call out to my cell phone or that remote destination. Alright, so I'll select that, and I'll quickly come back over here, and we'll see that my phone will start to ring. And there it goes. And now I can answer the phone here. Put that on mute also. And now my phone call is on my cell phone, my little Droid X here. So again, the connection from Jack here to my Droid phone. Now I can, leave to go watch my son's soccer game if I need to, or stay on a conference call, or what have you, with Jack or whatever call I was on. So this will work with either if you're on a conference call, dialed in anywhere to a conference call, an external audio conference or whatever. That option, that mobility option here, will always be available to you. Now let's say the reverse happened. Maybe I answered the initial call. Remember, this phone rung at the same time as my business IP phone, my 7971, and I could have answered it on this if I wanted to. If I want to transfer it back, let's say I answered it here, and then I came into the office, right, and I need to transfer that back. All I need to do is hang up here. So I'll hang up, and then you'll see that my phone is going to change. So it realized that I hung up, and then I can resume the call right here, and now that call, put that on mute again, that call is back on my 7971 business phone. So now the call is connected from this phone to Jack's phone. So as you can see, I can move freely from my business phone to my personal cell phone, my work cell phone, whatever it is, and back again. Alright, so let's hang up this call, and I just want to show you one more thing. We're going to call again, and instead, this time, instead of answering it on my 7971 business phone, I'm going to answer it on my cell phone. So we see my business phone is ringing, and my cell phone is going to ring, and I'll answer it here instead. Alright, so now, put that on mute. Now my cell phone and Jack's phone is now connected, and now I can just hang up here just like we did before, and we're going to see resume over here at the bottom, and I can choose that, and there we go. Now we're connected. These two phones are connected to each other. So hopefully that gives you a start with Mobile Connect in the Cisco Unified Communication Manager, or what we're calling our HCS environment, or UCAS now.